Hello everybody, I'm Devasruti Shah from Kolkata. You people are watching me on Oovly and I'm here to talk about myself and reveal my crazy part in front of you all. I'm an architect and a dancer by profession, and as a dancer, I still learn, I teach, I have few students too, and I do professional shows. I am passionate about traveling and exploring. Like I'm badly addicted to nature. According to me, the best medicine to heal all your scars, like it can be a broken heart, it can be a shattered mind, anything. The best medicine is nature. And I'm a travel freak. I'm a travel freak, and whoever is a travel freak will surely be able to relate to me. That is, traveling is the healthiest addiction, and I am really proud that I'm addicted to it. My weekend plans depend upon the time I wake up, and I might sound weird, but I really love to go to movies alone. I love to go for shopping alone. Like I really love to spend time with myself. So it's not tough for me to plan anything for any weekend, and I don't get bored easily. So I can say all my weekends are sorted. Seriously. A bucket list is a bucket full of dreams and passion. And my bucket list is stuffed with crazy ideas. So, firstly, I want to try all the adventure sports. I'm not scared of height, I'm not scared of water at all. I've already accomplished few of them, like I have done scuba diving last year, and I really cannot explain how beautiful it was. Now, yeah, I can say I'm living my dreams, I'm living my bucket list, and I'm blessed with few crazy friends who are always there to support me. I have few more wishes, I guess they're not achievable, but I really want to mention is number one, I want to have an amazing house on the top of the mountain. Then secondly, I want to be a part of Hogwarts. Thirdly, please don't laugh. I want someone to propose me under Northern Lights. I know this is not gonna happen, but just a crazy wish. Then time traveling. Yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like it.